Hello there. In my previous tutorial I have shown that how to find out the vulnerabilities in WordPress site by using the WP scanner Accountics web vulnerability scanner. Okay, now I will show you some another process of finding vulnerability of any WordPress site by using some online tools and some other methods. Okay, so go with me and learn how to find out the vulnerability of WordPress website. Okay, first of all I will use Google Doc. First of all I will use the Google Doc to find out the vulnerabilities of any WordPress website. For that, just go to google.com. Keep in mind that if you come to hacking, first of all you must be master in Google search. Google search helps a hacker very much to find out vulnerability of any website. Okay, I will use Google Doc here to find out the vulnerability of any WordPress website. For that, just type in URL. That means it will search in URL of any site wp admin dot install slash install install dot php. It will show the install wp. So GitHub, the cover below, site point address from so click on a link and try to visit. So it is not that what I want. This is not. You can see here that the install.php can create backdoor in a WordPress website are showing here. Okay, this is a WordPress website, diversityofficialmagazine.com/wp-admin/install.php, but it's showing that already installed. That means this is not vulnerable. But when you will see any WordPress website and type the URL like this, and if it show any installation system, that means the site URL, username, password, then the site is fully vulnerable. So in that case you may use your username, password and site name to register or install a WordPress website, and then you can hack by using the username, password from the dashboard. Okay, so it is showing that already installed, so I will not show anymore about it. You just, when you want to find any WordPress website, just type that, such as I want to hack a WordPress website of mine, http bitlabtech.com. it is a WordPress website of mine, and then type /wp-admin .php. Okay, this is mean it is already installed. That means this is not vulnerable to install backdoor. Okay, so you can find out the vulnerable website by using Google Doc like in URL. This in URL means it will search only for URL which website contains URL like wp-admin/install.php. Okay, you can also search for another doc in URL wp-admin/install.php and int in text welcome GitHub code. That means it will search for in URL where the URL contains the text like wp-admin/install.php and the text content welcome GitHub code. Okay, so if you find any WordPress website like this, you may find some vulnerability in there. Okay, so this is not vulnerable, also this is not. So I am showing you that I want to hack my own website by using the wp-admin/install.php, but it is shown that it is already installed. You will be only able to hack any WordPress website which version is lower than 4. That means you can only hack any WordPress website by using this method up to WordPress version 3.1. From the version upper 3.1, it has been removed and solved. So the WordPress version lower than 3.1 or equal to 3.1 can be hacked by using this method. If you find any WordPress website like this, and then if you type the URL like here, so obviously you will able to find in the installation method, and then you can register your user and you can hack any WordPress website. So this is all. I will not show more about this because 3.1 WordPress version is not available now, because many of the people are aware about this, and some of the WordPress user enable auto upgrade, so WordPress update the version by itself. So this is all about hacking WordPress website by using the install.php system. You can also try for another one, register.php. Also you can search, I know another method of admin Ajax. Yes, you can search for wp-admin ajax.php like this. Okay, if you want to hack any WordPress website, then you may type the URL of the WordPress website and then wp-admin and then admin ajax. It works up to this means 0. That means it is false. It is returning a result false. That means the backend registration process is disabled here. So I can try in my own website. So see here, the registration process is disabled by the user. So if you find any WordPress website showing here one or any result in here, then you can register in that WordPress site like a admin user, and then you can hack the WordPress website. There are some other several methods I will show you next tutorial. This is now the final about the admin ajax and admin.php exploit. Okay, and then now I will show you some another process. You can find out the vulnerabilities of any WordPress website by using some online scanner, and this is free to use. So this is wploop.com, then WordPress security online scanner. In this website, this gives us a facility of scanning your WordPress website. To scan your WordPress website, just type the name of your WordPress website and then click on scan site. It will scan the whole site and give a result of vulnerability of your website. This is wprecon.com slash. It is also another WordPress website scanning, security scanning website. So then click check now. It will check the vulnerability of your WordPress website. And another one is wpscans.com slash scan. Just type your WordPress website URL here and then click start now. Another WordPress hacking website is hackertarget.com slash WordPress security scan. Okay, just type your URL and click on pre WordPress security check, and it will give you a result of vulnerability. Okay, see here, it has been finished WordPress security scanner. So see here, check if full WordPress version is revealed. Yes, your site reveals full WordPress website version. That means the version of my WordPress website is disclosed to all. So you can read details from here and the vulnerability of the website. Check if readme.html file is accessible via HTTP. Okay, this is also a vulnerability. Check response of header contains details PHP version. Okay, this is not vulnerable because it is not exposing the PHP version or PHP info. Try getting the list of usernames. No user found by this system. Okay, keep in mind that not every tool is suitable for every options. Some option is suitable and some option is not suitable. So in some case this is not able to find out any usernames, but this may find, or this may find, or this may find. So do not rely on any on a single site or single scan or single software. Then you may see here that many vulnerability of my WordPress website. Check install.php is accessible via HTTP. Okay, then upgrade.php is accessible via HTTP. There are some vulnerability of these files. You may find in Google how to hack any WordPress website by using upgrade.php file and many information. So this I am showing here the process of finding out the vulnerability of WordPress website. Okay, so this is a good website that provide free scanning of your any WordPress website. Okay, this WP Recon, see here, I have installed WooCommerce in my WordPress website in my theme by default. So it is deprecated version and it's showing that the red signal and it needs to be upgraded. Okay, WP Video Lightbox, this is a plugin. It is not vulnerable. SitePress, multilingual CMS, line shortcodes, JS Composer, contact form 7 is also not updated. So this is disclosing the version. You may find or search in Google for the vulnerability of contact 7 form version 4.5.1, and you will get many results about this, and then you can find out the hacking method of here is the theme name of Cuisine theme version disclosing here. Here is the username enumeration. Okay, this is very important for in hacking, because if you know the username, then you can do brute force or some other method to hack any WordPress user password. Directory listing is not enabled here. Okay, extremely this is external links, and this is also the internal links, JavaScript links here showing. Okay, so you can find out the vulnerability by using this site also. security scan also the site that gives, okay, here the theme name, contact 7 form, JS composer, okay, so just click on, okay, just click this one, okay, that means it is showing the full directory and also the files in the folder, okay. So see here, all the files in the folder are showing here, but this is not good practice. Always you should hide all and everything from here. So this site also provides some good information, okay. Also hackers target, hackertarget.com shows this is the version of WordPress website, and this is also backdated version, okay. This is the PHP version of the server, IP address, powered by provider, country, okay, WooCommerce, it's vulnerable and backdated, okay. Contact 7 form showing here, cosine theme, line themes, okay, username enumeration, okay, the WP content uploads is enabled, and many errors are showing here, okay. So this is all about finding out the vulnerability of any WordPress website. In my